If you are short on kitchen storage space, here's a creative and functional way to increase it by going up. I'm choosing 3 like-minded reclaimed wood boards I have in my stash, setting them down side by side. Underneath the baskets, I'm penciling in another random edged side, which will become the bottom, then cutting the boards to size using a miter saw. Using a sander, I'm giving the fronts, sides, and ends of each board a light sanding. A cedar strip is being measured, then cut to the width of the 3 boards. I'm then using the cut piece to mark where to cut a second, so I end up with 2. The tops and sides of the wood strips are getting painted in coal black by Fusion Mineral Paint, so they coordinate with the baskets. Some cup hooks, also purchased from the dollar store, are being removed from the package, then pushed into some packing foam to create a stable surface. Using a black metal spray paint, the hooks are getting coated from all sides. While I'm waiting for the cup hooks to dry, I'm placing the painted wood strips across the 2 ends of the 3 wood planks, then penciling in 2 screw marks per board. With the wood strips placed on a scrap board, I'm pre-drilling pilot holes in each penciled area so the wood strips won't split when attaching with screws. Positioning the boards into place, I'm inserting short black screws into each hole, then screwing them in using short bursts with the cordless drill until they are just attached. After attaching the combined boards to a wall, I now have better ability to use a level to mount the baskets. I'm positioning the first basket near the bottom, screwing in 1 cup hook on the far right of the basket, then using a level to check for placement of the second cup hook. Now I'm positioning the top basket in place, this time poking hole placements with the hooks, then screwing them in with the guidance of a level. I'm now attaching the last 2 baskets, positioning them based on the space that's left. I found pinning the smaller baskets into place, leveling them, then poking placement holes with the cup hooks even easier. To chime in with the rustic wood theme, I'm choosing 2 stencils called pallet stamps and shipping crate stamps from Funky Junk's Old Sign Stencils that offer authentic pallet markings. I'm positioning each stencil image where desired, then stenciling them using coal black by Fusion Mineral Paint so the images mimic authentic pallet markings. To add interest to the baskets, I'm using a stencil and felt pen to design some paper labels with random numbers. You could also handwrite accurate dates on the labels. Then simply hang up the labels as desired, load up the baskets with your favorite produce, and enjoy your newly enhanced produce storage that is not only super productive, it looks cool too. I love the various sizes of the baskets, so you have the ability to load them up with just the right sized items to suit. And the crate markings on the wood really give this piece an authentic, interesting look, don't you think? This super functional and beautiful storage solution can also be used in a front entry, office, writing station for a kitchen, bathroom, workshop, or even a bedroom. I hope this inspires you to create a produce organizer of your own. Thanks for watching Home Talk, and we'll catch you next time.